habits with JoJo. Love taking a bath. JoJo, it's time for you to take a bath. Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love sleeping. JoJo, it's time for bed. The swinging cradle takes you to the bridge of the moon. Honey, get under the blanket so you won't catch a cold. Mommy helps you draw the mosquito net. Good night, JoJo. Let's do it with JoJo! Put your baby in the comfortable cradle. Swing the cradle slowly back and forth and play nursery songs or music so as to create a relaxing atmosphere and help your baby have a sound sleep. Let's develop good habits with love brushing teeth. Dear brother, come brush your teeth and wash your face. Be sure to brush your teeth carefully. Don't forget to spit out the dirty mouthwash. Good job! JoJo, now it's your turn to brush your teeth and wash your face. JoJo, be sure to clean your teeth like your brother and sister. Rinse your mouth and spit out the mouthwash. Yay! Your teeth are so clean. Let's do it with JoJo! It's important for your baby to wash up after waking up and before bedtime. You can choose the toothbrush and towel with lovely designs or sweet flavored toothpaste for kids to help your baby enjoy brushing teeth and washing face. Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love taking a bath. JoJo, it's time for you to take a bath. Mommy helps you adjust water temperature first. Wait, we also need to put on the baby string bag. Put on the waterproof hat as well. Let's start to wash your hair. JoJo, your little hands are so dirty. Be sure to clean your feet as well. JoJo loves taking a bath. Let's do it with JoJo! When bathing your baby, you can choose baby care products with aromatic scent. Put fun toys in the water and play with your baby so as to create a happy atmosphere for the bath time. Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love eating. JoJo, have a good meal so you can get taller quickly.
Well, JoJo has no appetite. I don't want to eat.
Look, JoJo. These are what food elves turn into. Food elves are quite awesome.
Wow! Little elves! Little elves!
Go check it out with Mommy.
Hi!
Fish. I am fish. I can make you smarter. I want to turn into delicious fish soup. Pick out fish bones. Be careful with fish bones when eating and don't swallow them.